Hello, I'm Heidi Gruenwald. I am General Manager of E360S, Division Service de Reboussolage. Our core business is in septic cleaning and municipal, commercial, and industrial cleanings as well. So we had a problem. We were looking for more office space. We obviously went through a growth spurt where we hired new employees. We had nowhere to put them. So we were looking for a solution that was quick, that was not permanent, that we could maybe one day also change the structure of the container to meet our needs depending on what we had at that time. So the idea of doing the offices in a container actually came from an event that we were taking part in, with our local Chamber of Commerce. And we met the team from Conteneurs Experts who had the perfect solution. It was quick, it was non-permanent, and it just made sense. So for the configuration of the container, we actually needed 2 closed offices. So when we met with the team from Conteneurs Experts, they suggested this layout. We also have the air conditioning units included. Basically, it's a turnkey solution. All we had to do was plug in the electricity and start to work. We actually liked this solution so much that we are possibly going to even order another one. This time, though, we'd like to have a bathroom incorporated in it, and we're really looking forward to possibly pursuing this new project.